Create this reflection text effect in CANVA with easy step-by-step tutorial. Open New Design in CANVA. Here, type your text. Choose TT Bluescreen font. Now change its color to gradient red and white. Once done, type in all the letters of the text one by one. Select all the letters and choose Tidy Up to space them evenly. Now reduce their spacing so that they overlap one above the other. Arrange the letters in layers like this. Once done, select the text and go to Effects. Here, choose Shadow. Change its color to black. Adjust the blur, transparency, and other aspects. Now copy this style and paste it on all the letters. Download this page. Now duplicate the page again. Here, add an image. Resize it and send to background. Now bring the downloaded image. Flip it vertically and adjust it at the bottom of the main text like this. Here, after, go to Apps and select Image Blender. Here, adjust its anchor points. Reduce its strength to create a reflection effect like this. Then reduce its transparency slightly. And our final shadow with reflection text effect is ready. Subscribe to the channel for more CANVA and AI tips.